Welcome back. As I told you before, on Wix.com, last time we were creating a band website. Well, today I'm going to show you how to actually marketing and make money off ticket sales and events and how to set those up. So without further ado, let's create our new band website, and that way we can show you exactly how to be that professional in creating with your band without having to really worry or hire a professional, right? Alright, so if you haven't already, I'm going to click create a website, and while I'm doing that, don't forget to hit subscribe and drop a comment below and let me know what you would like to see in the next couple of videos. Alright, now create a website. We're going to let that load. And a quick 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you can see it's loading up now. Alright, now of course when we're creating a band website, that's going to be classified under music. Clicking music again, and let's see what templates we have. So creating the ADI, answer the few questions, they'll create one for you, or to do it with a template and use 1,000 of the design features that Wix has to offer. So creating an edit website with a edit template, we're going to come down. Now with music, you have singer, musician, you can find all of these, DJ and producer, music industry, music promotion, or band. Singer, musician. I'm going to go through all instead of clicking a specific one, so we can kind of see what we have, right? Eddie Baker, he's a musician, DJ, a filmmaker. I'm going to jump to 6. All right, let's see. All right, new album landing page. Let's try that, because if you have a new album, you want to sell your new album. Let's take a look and see how it looks. Alright, scrolling down, pretty cool background, and it stops here. Alright, very good. So, pretty basic. We can come here and show you how to do as well. On our last video when we were creating a band, I was showing you how to add a new single, as well as create a playlist as well. So, let's start with doing that again pretty quickly, without going into too much detail, so we're not really going to add the cover, or change the name, or change the text here. I'm just going to add them, and then I'm going to show you how to set up that events page and the ticketing or markets for this as well. So let's just wait for one moment. I'll let this load, and then that way we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, now you can see our page is loading up. Give it a moment. We have gotten here thus so far. Due to it's a pretty big file. Alright, here we go. New album out, Dream Request. That sounds like a pretty cool name. Okay, available at iTunes, Amazon, and Wix Music. Alright, fantastic. So we can listen now. Okay, let's scroll up. Alright. Go and check out the menus and pages. Home and music. Okay. Alright. Now, I'm going to create a new page to show you how to do this. Landing page store. I want to add a Wix store. And so it's adding this to the website now. So, and you can sell albums. For example, not only can you not sell your music, or you cannot, I'm sorry, you can sell your music. You maybe want to sell t-shirts, merchandise, and this is where you can do this too. So if you already have this designed and you're ready to sell this, you need that page to actually promote that as well. And so we're going to add this to the website. I'll give it just a moment. Alright, now we have the store pages. The site menu. Okay, so my store. There you go. Now I'm a product. Now here you can see these are a list of products already that I have. Now obviously this has nothing to do with music. So let's click Manage Products. Now once you click on this, it's going to give you that Manage Products. We're going to click it. Okay, it's going to take us to our dashboard and products here. Now this is going to be solely just for your merchandise, maybe your t-shirts, etc., right? Now all of these, I'm just going to select them. Alright, and I'm going to leave one, right? So leaving one, sell physical or digital products. You can choose which kind of product you want to sell, and I'm going to show you how to do digital, and that's exactly what we're going to do with music, right? So now I'm going to delete. Once deleted, you won't be able to recover these products, so make sure. So we're going to delete. Now they're all gone. Now this is a product, this is a shoe. Now I want to click on this and let it load. Alright, now these are the others. Let's see, remove that image, and we can crop and edit image that I'm going to delete. Alright, now that I deleted. Now, do you guys remember when we were creating on the last page the album cover, right? So let's go to Site Files. I'm going to upload my own from my computer, my own little images. It's going to upload, if you remember this logo here. Alright, that's my logo. Alright, I'm going to double click, and there we go. Now, we can do a shirt as well, and let's see, images, or do videos, if you have a video. Now, let's see, media from Wix. Because, let's be honest, I don't have any t-shirts to sell. I'm going to search for business, so I'm going to say shirts. I'm going to click enter, because I'm just creating a shirt. Now we have the design, right? Now we have the design, and I'm just using this now just to show you, right? There we go, a t-shirt. I'm going to double click, and now I have the t-shirt added, right? And this is the product. Product info, the basic info. Hi, I'm a product. That's not going to work. Band t-shirt, right? A ribbon, we can put new album style, right? Now we'll change in a moment. A price, let's see. I'm gonna put $50. Why on sale? A discount, 25%, right? So price per unit, we can do total product quantity in units. I can say I have 100 base units. I have to say 50. Just giving some basic numbers here. And we can make the description. I'm going to make this in bold. New album, t-shirt that you must have. Etc. Whatever you want to put, right? So now I'm going to highlight. I'm going to make it bold, italics. I love italics and bold. And I'm going to make it red. All right, product info. We already have all of this. Return. We can click. There is no refund. Right. Click on shipping info. Ships fast to your location. The same, you can do bold italics for this as well. Bold italics, and there we go. Okay. Let product info. New style. All right. The colors, black, brown, and you can edit the options. Color. Show in product pages color, or in the list, color. We can say green, right? Whatever we want. All right, let's see. I'm going to apply, blah, blah, blah. Manage pricing and inventory for variants. You can do that as well. Just click and add. And this is going to show you right here, as you can see, right? Variants, black. You can charge a different price, black. I can say it's 40 in stock, or I can say out of stock, whichever. Brown, whichever, right? And I can apply that. So the subscription, you can create a subscription after your products on a recurring basis with subscriptions. There you go. Now I've just created that product here. You can share the product, you can promote it, create a promo video, send an email campaign as well, if you would like. And you can create a collection if you want this to be in the collection, but this is just for the band. Now, I'm going to save. Now great, you got 5 more steps. So create a payment method. When you do this for the add a payment method, I'm not going to give all of my details, but I'm going to show you how to do it. You can do Fondi payments or PayPal. You connect this as well. You can do manual payments. If you would like, connect cash, check, or other custom forms of payment. You just connect this information and then you're set. You're done. All right, that's it. Pretty cool, right? Going back to store products and dashboard. Let this load up. Now we've already showed you how to create band t-shirts. You can do this with any product that you have. And I use this logo here. And you can change it with a t-shirt with your logo. If you take a picture of it, it's the same. All right. Now, export physical, import multiple products to your store, rearrange to order a new product, a digital file. Now, this is with your music. Now, this is what's going to help you create your music, right? So letting this load up, you can upload a file. Let me upload one. You can do an image, an audio file here, a document, or a zip track. Now, since we're doing audio, we can create audio. And you can do this from your computer. Since it's a band or music, this is what you would do, right? Upload media, and you can do it from here. You can also do it from Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, whichever you have that media, and you can upload it and sell it, right? Upload from computer. Let's see, I'm just going to do a video, honestly, but it won't let me because it's a video, and I don't have a music. But it's the same deal here. So you can upload the file. I don't have a music file for you guys, and I can't do one that I actually downloaded myself because it's kind of illegal if I try to sell somebody else's music. But you can have name, new. Let's just use it as a single, right? You have that new single out. New single. New. Price, we can say, 10. Right? All of this is the same. And the description, hard rock music special. Right? You can do the images the same or a video. I'm going to do the image. Double click on my image. As well, inventory and shipping, track inventory. You can status, in stock, out of stock. You can create a SKU code if you have it, a shipping weight. That doesn't really apply for digital, right? So we wouldn't have that. The same, inventory and shipping. When you go to track inventory, it's not really going to really matter with a digital copy. Let's be honest, because you're not really shipping anything. They're just downloading it, right? So they're going to be able to do that. So it's the new single. Inventory and shipping we're not going to do. So we have that, show in online store, and I am going to save it. Now, it's not going to let me save it because I don't have an audio file. I will come back and create another one for an audio file if you guys would like. So I'll find the audio file I can share, and we can use that. All right, but otherwise it would save, and well, voila, you're finished. So we've created that single. All right, so that's the store. That's how you can sell your music, right? From just the online store. Now I'm going to exit here, and that's how it's going to change for you. Now let this load up for just a moment. And this is the band t-shirt, right? So here you go. This is the store. Pretty cool, right? So let's go back to manage the pages. I want to go to the site menu. I want to go home. Now it's going to take me to the home. And I'm going to go to preview and let you see what that looks like in live. All right, coming soon. All right, so here we go. We are in preview mode. You can come out, see coming available at iTunes, Amazon, and Wix. You can do these as well for this, but we don't have to necessarily do that. As I showed you, you can steal that album just from your website yourself and manage it on your own without having to use iTunes or etc. All right. So when you click this is the site menu. Home, music, shop. Right? We created a shop. As you can see, I didn't make everything capitalized. So I'm clicking shop. It's going to take us to the shop. So with our clothes. And when you hover over it, it's going to show you the t-shirt. A quick view. And it's on a discount sale, as you've seen us create that before. Pretty cool, right? Pretty simple. Not much to do to it. So let's go back to the editor. And voila! You've just created a way to make money with your music. All right. Now, coming back to menu and pages, let's see. We can make a new page, a cart page. We're going to go actually to the add features button. We can go to music, right? As well, the content manager. Now, set up content collections, create thousands of dynamic pages, and collect info from viewers. We're going to do that, but not necessarily with the band music. We're going to do that for some other websites in the future. So again, if you haven't already, do subscribe so you're not going to miss any other cool options that we have. Events, we're going to do again as well, but in the future, I just wanted to show you for you music guys how to really create a way to get money for your music. The store we've done, blog, again in the future we're going to have as social, how to add a social media. As well, if you want to add social media to this site, we can just drag and drop, but not here in the, I'm going to delete this now. We want to go back to our site page, to the beginning. The product page, that's the store. So the site menu, we're going to do this in our home. All right. So now we're at our home page. Now we're going to go to add. Now we're going to drag and drop for our social media, right? We can do that. And once we do this, you can set social links. And when you do this, it's going to take you to another dashboard. And you're going to be able to click, like, for example, on Facebook. And you're going to be able to put your URL to lead to their URL. The same for when you click Tumblr or YouTube or Instagram, any of these. You just click on this and you add the URL. And voila, you've connected all of those as well. Maybe I don't have this one. Maybe I don't have Tumblr, and I don't have Twitter, but I have Pinterest, Facebook, and YouTube, right? And voila, we're done. And you'll just click done, and it's finished. All right, now I can drag and drop wherever I would like. I can attach the header, or I can bring it down low again. All right. Now, to add, if you don't like that one particular style, you have these as well. You can also do a like, if you want to add a like. You can also go back to add, and you can do several others. You can even do videos the same way as we showed you before. With the videos, if you wanted to add another video, a YouTube video for your music, just drop. We showed you this before, how to promote your music. It's the same. But you can do as well. Alright, going to delete this, do a like for Facebook, and to add. Let's go back to add. Now we have add, we've added the social media as well, and we've done where you can actually store and sell. Now, you can also create a button for this too, to make a link that actually will take you to, to buy, right? So you can actually make this link and hyperlink to your store if you would like as well. Now, that's the PayPal button, right? I want to add a PayPal button. We're going to add to the site. And that's the buy now. And you can see that PayPal button. And we've done 2. Let's delete 1. Alright, now when we click on this, we go to settings. And this is really good, and I'll show you why this is really good. So I'm going to set this here. I'm going to go to add. And I'm going to go back down to videos and music. And I'm going to go to a single player with audio player, the track name and artist. And I'm going to drag and drop this one. I'm just going to use this one for now, the audio player. And I can click buy now, and I'm going to make this pretty parallel. And we have our music. Now, if you don't like this one, I can delete. If you want to give that track name, my audio player, the same here. And there you go. And make that pretty interesting. Alright, so now you're kind of advertising here for your track name, and you can click buy now. When we click, we go to settings, to the PayPal button. Alright, now the templates, you have the templates, donations, subscribe, but buy now, we want, and you can hyperlink here to the product. The product name, new single. Purchase option, fixed amount. How much do I want it to cost? Let's say $5, right? Default quantity, 1, whichever. Allow buyers to choose quantity. I don't think they're going to do that. I'm going to click no. Tax, or the PayPal options, add product options, different products, add special instructions. Okay, we have. Let's go back to tax. A fixed price percentage of total price. Let's see, 5%. The shipping, we don't have shipping. Or you can actually design that PayPal button too if you want that classic PayPal, light sea green, modern, elegant. Or we can just do that dark outline as well. And we can leave it. And there we go. Now you see that's how we do preview checkout model, advanced button design as well. You can change that. You can change out the outline and raise as well. Now I'm going to click done for here. Now I'm going to go to the sales dashboard. And this is where we're going to set everything up. Alright, and we can enter this up for free, and this is how you're going to do, but a little later. Right? So this is power. You're going to set up for that. I don't want to do this. Alright, because we close out of that extra page, that's it. And you're going to have that. You just sign in and do it with power, but it's going to take you to that dashboard as well. And this is how you can make money. Just showcased off here, and you can upload. Now, I also showed you how to do it from the store without having to do it here. So when they go to the store, they click, you have that option to go ahead and buy, send it to the cart, etc. But you can also do this with adding an anchor. So when you go to Embed, you do an anchor. You can add an anchor. Right? And we can put this anchor for whichever, right? The track name. But here we're not going to use it, just to kind of show you how to add that anchor again. Let's say I want to make, let's add a button. Let's go to buttons. Show you another one. Buy now. And I'm going to delete this. Delete. Alright, I'm going to add that, but here we go. I'm going to this in the same style with here. Now we're going to go to the sales page, or not even that. Let's go to menu and pages. We're going to go to the shop. Shop. Now we're going to go to add. We're going to go to embed. There we go. We got the embed. We're going to add an anchor. And I'm going to move this anchor up here, and I'm going to name it, because you always want to name your anchors. Buy media slash buy shirt, etc. And you want to lead them straight to it. When they like that song, you can. We showed you how to upload. All right, and we have it. All right, now let's go back to our menus and pages. We're going to go to our site menu. We're going to go home. Exit out of here. Now, this button. Now, when we click this pay button, we're going to exactly design. We're going to go to settings, pay button settings, let it load. Pay now, buy now, terms and conditions, email notification, I'm an item. So we can change this as well, button text as well. So let's manage payment methods. And you can click it, and then you can have this where they actually buy it as well. Now this takes you back to the store dashboard as well. Now, let's see. I'm going to delete. Okay, I'm going to add a new button because this one is not wanting to add just right. All right, now going to button. Let's say, just going to do button. All right. Kind of show you how the anchor works here with a button. Where did our button go? Ah, here he goes. All right. Now, change text and icon. What does it say? I'm going to change it to buy. And what does it link to? I'm going to add a link to an anchor. What page? Shop. Buy media and shirt. You can see that. All right, and done. Now you can see we have that created. Now buy this album. I'm going to go to preview and just give you guys a quick look at what it looks like. All right. All right, now I'm going to click buy. And there you go. It takes you straight here. All right, guys. Now I've showed you how to link everything up for your band, how to sell, how to make money. Let me know in the comments, and I can't wait to catch you guys next time for our next videos. All right, goodbye.